Hi friends, hope you're doing great. I'm Moshtaba and you're watching my video on the Schedemy YouTube channel. We're going to continue updating in progress activities, and this time we're moving to video number 3. If you remember, in the previous video we said the activity started 2 days late, but it was gonna finish exactly on time, meaning the catch-up plan. But today we're gonna say it started 2 days late and it's gonna finish 1 day late at the end. All right, let's open our analytical Excel file again. This is what's gonna happen. If you remember, this was our previous scenario and now this is new scenario. Here our status date is again 18th. The activity has started 2 days late, so the actual duration becomes 1. But this time the remaining duration, instead of 7 days like the previous video, becomes 8 days. So when I change the remaining duration to 8, as you can see, my original duration becomes 9 days and my person complete becomes 11. I already explained the units to you. What happens if it's a fixed unit and what happens if it's fixed units per time. Like my example, I explained that fully in the previous video. It's really important that you change all of those options together. All right, first, I'm going to open Primavera for you and we'll see what we need to do in the software. Again, we tell Primavera that activity has started on 17th and the remaining duration is 8 and the original duration is 9. And then, as you can see, because the activity type is fixed units per time, the calculation matches exactly what we had in Excel. If they don't match, it means something is wrong somewhere. And yes, there was a mistake. I found it. Yes, there's an error. Let's check Primavera together. The work is supposed to be completed in 9 days, meaning the total units are 72 hours and 1 day has already been actualized. So the actual units should also be 8. Yes, as I said before, this 64 was typed manually, but it should have been a formula. Original duration, multiple units per time. I'll correct that now. Okay, now it's exactly right. Since we need 72 hours of work, meaning 8 hours per day for 9 days, our actual becomes 8 hours and our remaining duration, units becomes 64 hours. Now to continue, we just need to reschedule the plan. So press F9 and reschedule the project to 18th. And as you can see, what we expected, it's doing exactly what my Excel showed. The activity finished 1 day late. Now we can take a new baseline as well, and I'm gonna do that. Enjoy comparing different baselines. It's really powerful. This means if you ever wanna change your earned value calculations, you can just change the baseline number like I explained in the previous video. Really nice. All right, let's do the same thing in MS project. Again, we tell MSP that activity has started. Give me a second. I'm going to open this box. So give me a second. I have to click on the activity. And again, I'm going to open this box. I'm going to change the start date to 17th. And the actual duration as we calculated before is 1. And the remaining duration is 8. Yes, is 8, and then press OK, and you can see what happens. The person completed is 11, and we can enter it in Primavera 2. And so as you can see, the results from both softwares are exactly the same, and that's great. We can take another baseline in MS project as well. Now, let's check the SPI in both softwares. In MSP, it's 0.37. This means we started 2 days late, meaning instead of 3 days of work, we only work 1 day. So yeah, things aren't looking great. And in Primavera, you can see 0.372, and both softwares results are the same exactly. So if you want to check the finish variance, you can see it says we are finishing 1 day later than our first baseline. And in MSP, if you bring in the finish variance column, you should see the same thing, perfect. All right, guys, this was our third scenario. In the first one, we learned how to reschedule. In the second one, we had a delayed activity and we recovered the delay, the catch-up plan. And in this scenario, we basically replanned the project, meaning out of 2 days of delay, we were only able to recover 1 day through replanning or the replan. So we're not only learning the software, we're also improving our scheduling knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Until the next video, take care and goodbye.